So now we're looking at the median of a grouped frequency distribution. So here we have our distribution grouped, and we're doing the median using this formula. So let's break down the formula. So L1 is the lower boundary of the median class. N is the total of the frequency column. CF is the cumulative frequency in the row above the median class. F med is the frequency of the median class. And C is the class width. And the class width is the upper boundary minus the lower boundary. So let's talk about the boundaries. So each class has limits, 12, 15, 16, 19, upper and lower limits. But the boundaries are separate and apart from the limits. So for example, the lower boundary for the first class is 11.5 and the upper boundary is 15.5. Similarly, the lower boundary for the second class, 15.5 and the upper boundary, 19.5. So if you notice, the boundary is in between the classes. So in between 15 and 16, we have 15.5. So 15.5 is the boundary that separates the first class from the second class. And 19.5 is the boundary that separates the second class from the third class. Alright, so these are lower boundaries, upper boundaries. Alright, so let's go. The median position, of course, is n plus 1 over 2. N is 50, the total of the class, total of the frequencies. So 50 plus 1 over 2, that's 51 over 2, or 25.5. This means that the median is somewhere between position 25 and 26. So normally, if this were a regular on-group distribution, would find whatever is at position 25 and what is at position 26 and average them. However, it's a bit different for the grouped. So let's go. So to find where the median class is, we need our cumulative frequency. So let's do that quickly. So up to the first row, we have 6 students. Up to the second row, we have 6 and 9, 15 students. Including row 3, brings up to 31. Right? And of course, the last one should be equal to the total of the frequency column. So these are our cumulative frequencies. So, finding the median class. We're saying the median is between 25 and 26. So we need to find where position 25 is in the table. So, up to the first row, we only have 6 students. So we're not at 25 yet. Up to the second row, we're up to 15 students. We're still not at 25. But get to the third row and we're now up to 31 students. That means that both position 25 and 26 will be somewhere in this group of 16 students. So we can say that median class for us will be 20 to 23. So this is our median class. So remember, up to the second row, we only had 15 students. So we didn't reach position 25 as yet. But then we got 16 students in the third row. So among these 16 students would be the person at position 25 and the person at position 26. Alright, since we're up to 31 at that point. So our median class, 20 to 23. So let's go. L1 is the lower boundary for the median class. So that would be 19.5. N, we already said N is 50. CF, the cumulative frequency in the row above. Remember? In the row above the median class. So the median class, 20 to 23. The cumulative frequency in the row above that is 15. So CF is 15. FB, the frequency of the median class, that is 16. And the class width, upper boundary minus lower boundary. So we're going to say 23.5 upper boundary minus 19.5 the lower boundary, giving us 4. So putting it together, L1 19.5 plus N 50 over 2 minus CF, which is 15, divided by F mid 16 and multiplied by the class width, which is 4. Alright, so we now have our formula going. Of course, BODMAS says start in the brackets first. So 50 over 2 is 25 minus 15, that's 10. So we have 19.5 plus 10 over 16 times 4. And of course, we can do all of this part together. 10 divided by 16 multiplied by 4 gives us 2.5. And then 19.5 plus 2.5 is 22. So the median for this grouped frequency distribution is 22. All right, have fun with your practicing.